also tried to participate, but again, I'm not up to the mark. So what I mean to say is all the colleges should be able to participate in competitions. The competitions are meant to explore your capabilities. Like if you don't participate in any competition, you will feel that you are the greatest. So you have to explore. You have to explore your imagination and try to see what is going to happen. Where do we stand when it comes to competition? So I request all the medical, dental, and nursing and other students not to get disheartened because there are no prizes, but try to participate and see how you can explore it to the largest extent. And I tell you, I am so much obsessed with technology. Every individual now, they should be conversant with the technology. If you are not conversant with the technology, you will be lagging behind in the race. So you have to be thorough with the technology. How can we utilize technology to the fullest extent? Maybe in the form of making an image or exploring various images or drawing. So now the computer technology is so easy to handle and it is user friendly. You must be able to explore it and do it in a better way. I am surprised to see one of the participants from pharmacy college is able to draw these logos on a mobile phone. So it's so good. I'm very much impressed with that. So you can explore. People will be purchasing mobile phones worth thousands of rupees, but they are not exploring the capabilities of the instrument. So finally, I extend my greetings and congratulations to all the participants and especially those who are the winners. Thank you very much.
Now I invite Dental College Dean, Dr. Shivkumar sir, to share a few words to our students.
Thank you, Dr. Shivkumar. Good afternoon, all the attendees and all the dignitaries on the dais. It was a pleasure for me to go through all the logos, and I appreciate the efforts of all the super specialty PGs or residents or staff. I don't know. I just know that they're from endocrinology department, some of the participants, then pharmacy students, nursing students. And everybody tried to present the logo from their perspective. And I appreciate the efforts because at the end of the day, the organizers have to give only 3 prizes. And to compete itself is a big thing because out of thousands of students in the campus across 5 institutions, only some tens of participants are there. That means you are already have achieved something. That means you competed. And as sir said, it is an introspection about our own abilities, whether we can do it or not, where we stand in terms of the competition or exploring our own talents. This is something which all of you have to remember. At the end of the day, whether you get a memento or award or not, it is immaterial. The participation is something which is very much important. And I appreciate both pharmacy college and nursing college definitely because you have participated in more numbers compared to medical college. And I don't think dental college, how many people have participated also. If sir feels unhappy about medical college, I have to actually feel even low about dental college representation. Thank you, Dr. Shivkumar and SP Rao sir for giving me the opportunity to be a part of finalizing the logos, best logos. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I invite our IQAC coordinator, Dr. Ananda Reddy sir, to have few words with our students.
Respected Dean Sir, SP Rao Sir, Dental College Dean Shivakumar Sir, Pharmacy College Principal, and my dear students and faculty. Good afternoon. Yes, we have taken a step by creating a logo to our IIC. What I request you, as I already told you, what I request you is, it is a center where your thought can be modified into a fruitful project. So at least from now onwards, try to come up with new ideas, because most of the time we heard or see on TVs or even on Facebook pages or WhatsApp pages that 8-year child created a new app, or 8-year or some 10 years child designed this, like this, because nowadays age is not a barrier to create anything. So the utmost important thing in this world is your creativity. Don't punish it. Try to explore the things so that you can come up with better ideas. You may not succeed in attempt one. Always at the end of day, it is your attempt which decides whether you are in right way or not. So try to explore with your ideas so that you will come up with better ideas, and at one day you will definitely get recognition. On day one, you may not get, but at the end of 1 year or 10 years, you are supposed to get that. So try to be passionate towards, be creative rather than not to discourage with the result. So always be optimistic. Being a psychiatrist, I always says being optimistic, one day or other your efforts will be rewarded. I thank the organizers of this competition to give me this opportunity. Thank you.
May I request Dr. Harinatha Babu sir, College of Principal of Pharmacy College, to utter a few words.
Good morning to all. And today is the announcement of logo proprietors. Particularly, this competition was announced weekdays back, and in hurry, and maybe students are completely got the information. And our pharmacy students, 1 or 2 are tried it, and the logo should be reflecting all the colleges, and their intention is to prepare with the aim and objective. This is a student activity. In fact, I am unable to mobilize fully to my sections. Only pharmacy section has been participated in this event. And the efforts of the students and other colleges students also involved in this program. And thank you for the opportunity to associate with the event. And thank you very much, Shivakumar, for your efforts, and our dean sir, and the under the dynamic leadership of Dr. S.V. Rao and our research director, we are able to get this IIC and a logo which is essentially to be represented for unitedness and uniqueness should be prepared, and hope all participants are got the proper responses. And I thank the organizers for giving the opportunity and make me as a part of this program. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So with due permission of my IEC president and Dr. S.P. Rao sir, Dean Dr. S.P. Rao sir, So can I announce the winners? So we received overwhelming response from most of the students from pharmacy, nursing, as our heads told before. We will be announcing the winners of this competition, first prize, second prize and third prize. And those who participated also have a participation certificate, which you can collect it later from our office. So the winners, I will call one after the other. Please, you can come and collect these, your memento and certificate. So the first prize goes to Miss Valluru Bhavya Sri, Farm D, third year, from Narayana Pharmacy College. She will be receiving the prize from our IIC President, Dr. S.P. Rao sir.
Share.
Good morning to all the dignitaries present here. I'm Bhavya from 3rd Farm D. First of all, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. K. Harnath Baba sir, for encouraging me and guiding me. So coming to this logo, I choose star. Star represents excellence. The 5 sharp edges present in this star is our 5 courses: physiotherapy, medical, dental, pharmacy, nursing, and the colors I used here is blue, red, and yellow. Every color has its own meaning. The blue color is for life. The red color represents the wisdom, and the yellow color represents the brightness. So all these courses are united. So as a symbol present in the IIC, Institution of Innovator Council, the 3 colors, blue, red, and yellow, all 3 colors are included in the logo. I encircled the logo with circle because the circle is for unity. All the intellectuals join together to form innovative society. So this is the theme of the logo.
There are also awards. Thank you, Bhavya, for your efforts. Yeah. The second prize goes to our endocrinology department, first year PG student, Dr. Shruti Ravindra. Since he is not available here, on behalf of her, Dr. Syed Farooq will receive the certificate and the award. And he can share on behalf of her.
Respected Dean and dignitaries on the dais, Sunanda Madam and colleagues and my juniors. Myself, Dr. Farooq. I'll be presenting on my behalf of my colleague, Dr. Shruti, who is a first year PG Department of Endocrinology. IIC is innovation, intelligence, and creativity. The globe represents a eureka moment, signifying a sudden burst of inspiration. By switching on a bulb, the darkness is illuminated by light, representing ignorance being dissipated by knowledge. Letter I with globe suggests connectivity and communication worldwide. Letter I with flame suggests sign of wind and enthusiasm. And magnifying glass with C letter suggests keen to explore and innovate. That is IIC. Thank you. I used to fascinate how Durga Mata could have multiple hands. Later, I realized that our Sunanda ma'am is like Durga Mata, who is managing household and department chores perfectly. So I request Sunanda ma'am to take the prize on behalf of Shruti and endocrine department. Please, ma'am.
It's a very nice moment, you know, student praising us guide. It's too good. I think Madam requests a big round of applause. You know. And one more memento, ma'am, the award. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Syed. Yeah. So the third prize goes to Miss Anmol K. She is the first year post basic BSc nursing student. I invite Anmol to come to the dais. So this is her logo. And she can share a few words about the logo with us.
Good afternoon, all. Today I am representing to IIC Institution Innovation Counseling, and the first human shape alphabetic I is Institution Innovation. The two human shape stand for the students and faculties in institution, and the next last one C alphabetic, the C shape of alphabetic is situation to the bottom of the logo of the council, and next the main function of the IIC is encourage, inspire of the students, supporting to the new ideas. And the last, I choose the color the higher educational theme of that way. I am selected to blue color. Okay, thank you.
I invite our nursing college staff also to join the dais. So we are concluding this session. Please, I want, as a part of the program, we have to upload the group photograph into the Ministry of Innovation cell. Each program carries certain weightage, certain marks and score. The institute is rated based upon the activities we are doing. So after this, we will have a group photograph with the staffs first, faculties first, and then with the students. Okay. So I take this opportunity to thank our organization and our Honorable Dean and IAC President, Dr. S.P. Rao sir, for giving support and freedom and all the necessary things for this. And also thank all the heads of Narayana Professional Colleges, like as I mentioned earlier. And without the participants, this competition cannot be done. So I thank for your overwhelming responses, and I thank each and everyone. Please, I request, please involve yourself in all the IAC activities so that we can move forward and we can score good score. And we are the only medical college in entire Andhra Pradesh to have the Institute Innovation Council. So having an Institute Innovation Council without doing any activity in it will not justify it. So we are competing with the engineering students. So there are tons of engineering colleges are there. So it doesn't matter. We will compete with them. We will also score marks. Whether we score high ranking or low ranking, that is secondary. But at least we will score, and we will show that in terms of innovativeness, we are nothing less than the engineering students. We will take the healthcare problems. We will address the healthcare problems. We will compete in that manner. In line with this, why I am telling all these things is, in line with this, we are also conducting an Ideathon. So Ideathon is nothing but idea solutions for an healthcare problems. It is in the process of designing. It is on November 17th. I request all the medical students and even faculties, if they want to join, they can join. All the medical students to address, we will be sending the problems to think innovatively and write your ideas and send to us. It is a nation level competition, not only in Narayana Medical College. It will be all over the India, and we will be selecting 3 winners like this, and we will be celebrating that moment. Okay. With this, I thank I thank our organization and all the heads of each institution within our campus. Thank you. Now I request our staffs from Pharmacy College, Nursing College, and Medical College to come to the dais for a group photograph. Then we will request the students to have a group photograph. Thank you. Medical students, I request you to come for a group photograph. Thanks. Students. See, at least some students come. What is this? Please come. Some boys and girls, please come. So I request nursing students to please come. Nursing students, maybe some of their faculties also can join. Thank you. So we request the pharmacy students to come, please. Please come. రండమ్మా కరగండి కరగండి కొద్దిపేరు పైన వచ్చేయండి. నీది ఇది ఎక్కడ
Isso é